Hello everybody, today we're going to be making pecan bars. These are very similar to the chocolate bars that come from Chef Renata as well. She is my aunt and she has so many amazing recipes that we get to try. And just to let you guys know, she has her own channel too on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram where she teaches everybody how to speak Arabic for both beginners and advanced learners. It's very short and simple and very easy, and I love it because it doesn't take up too much time of my day just to see her daily posts. So give it a follow, and yeah, let's get on to the recipe. So you're going to start off with your dry ingredients, your flours, and some maple syrup. And we'll be adding some coconut oil as well in a little bit, and so make sure to put that in the microwave so that it is completely liquefied like this, so that there isn't any lumps when we are mixing it, and it just is a faster process. So yeah, add that, some vanilla, some salt, and then just you can go ahead and mix that with whatever you were using originally. But then you want to go in with your hands because it's not forming a dough, but it's like a crumb coat. So it's going to become thick and mushed together, so you want to do that with your hands, otherwise it'll be crumbly with a spoon. And once that's all done, you can use your tray to measure out how much you should be cutting so that it completely covers the entirety of it on all sides. So yeah, just go ahead and use that and make your cuts so that you can fold it nicely. And so now it can completely conform to the shape of your tray. And then you're going to just put that crumb base right on the bottom, and you're just going to press it down hard with your hands. Then you're going to put it at the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It should become nice and brown like this at the edges, and then you're going to set that aside to cool completely before you do anything else with it. So while that cools, you can prepare the pecan part of the pecan bar, and you can start by harshly chopping up the pecans. You want to still give them like their mass. You don't want to make it super fine because we want that crunchiness in there. And then you're going to do half a cup of coconut oil in a pot alongside with your maple syrup. And then coconut sugar. So this is the key ingredient in this step, but it is a little bit tricky because it burns very easily unless you take it off the heat right as it starts boiling. So you can't leave this to the side. You have to keep watching it because, as you can see, the moment that this mixture starts boiling, we have to take it off the heat so the sugar doesn't burn. And then it'll make a really not good taste, so we do not want that. So at this point, you can see that it is starting to boil completely, and this is when my mom takes it off the stove. And then you can go ahead and add the pecans you just chopped up directly into the pot. Also, do you guys say pecans or pecans? Because they are one of the notoriously like different things that people say. I know that there's like almond and almond too. So I think I think during this video I've said pecan and pecan interchangeably, but let us know in the comments down below what you guys say. So anyways, then you're going to put the filling on top of the completely cooled down crumb base. And then spread that out evenly as well. And once you let that cool in the fridge for a decent amount of time, until it obviously solidifies, the filling part, you can just go ahead and chop them up however you like into whatever sized bars you like. And what I really like about these is that they are very easy to take on the go and wherever you are. Like I've been taking these and the other chocolate bars that my aunt made to college, and they stay for a really long time in the fridge and they're so good. So they're very nice, like quick snack, and they stay around for a long time if you make enough, and if enough people don't steal them, because my family does. So good thing about living by yourself is no one can steal your food but yourself, so you have no one to blame except for yourself. And that's it. So we hope you guys enjoy these pecan bars, and let us know what other fillings and types of bars you'd like us to make, and that they're really yummy snack for you guys too. Okay, happy pecan barring. Bye!